Guys, here we are again. So here we go, we got the sample pack. It says a cup combined would make you 5 gallons of water. Now I'm going a little less than 5 gallons, and I'm doing half of this because I have a small garden. So I'm going to do half a cup of this sample pack that I got. Alright, there's my little bucket. There's my little aerator going in it. I put a screen door over it, just keep all the leaves and anything else blowing until she starts to foaming. Now I got my sack. Just going to pour this into here. We're going to tie her up. Alright, here we go. We're going to tighten it up and drop her in there and wait till she starts foaming. Check back with you. Got her hanging in the tree. It's a beauty day out in the garden. There's the garden over there. One day we're going to check her out. Hold up, just hold up. One thing I like to do is shove the aerator right inside of there and then tie her to the edge of the bucket. Alright. Okay, we got her bubbling away in there. I'm going to shove the old friggin' lid on top of her here. And we'll check on that. Once she starts really frothing and foaming, you know you're ready to go.